Hey guys, I wanted to talk to you very briefly about independent reading because yes, you still need to read every day. I'd like for you to read a novel, a chapter book, something that challenges you. I don't mind if y'all are reading graphic novels too, but I'd like for you to find something that is challenging to you. So, I've told you guys before that I'm a big Stephen King fan. Obviously, I have a gazillion books. This isn't even all of them. But I think I'm going to read, I have this book of short stories by Stephen King, so I think I'm going to start with that. And then if I just have an itch to really push the envelope, I'm going to read from this gigantic book. It is almost as wide as my face. Some Shakespeare. So, I want to hear you tell me what you're reading. Now, here are your options for ways you can interact on Canvas. And this applies to anything I post, but especially for today telling me about the book you're reading. So, if you're watching this video, then you're already in announcements. So, okay, I'll get you a snack in a minute. All right, so you're in an announcement. You're watching my video right now. Y'all are so creepy. Okay. Wait, I closed the baby gate. Sorry. All right, so you watch the video, you read whatever notes, and you're ready to post a comment. So you click on reply. Now you can just type your response. So you could give me your book title and author. That would be cool. Another option you have is if you see this little film strip icon, you can post like a link to a YouTube video if you want to do that. Always, it has to be school appropriate, please. You could post an image of you with your book. This is actually one of my old textbooks from college, and I noticed a second ago that it still has notes of mine in here. Or it looks like maybe it's an essay that I wrote for school. So, you post a picture with your video, and then you could do what I'm doing right now, which is...
Mama!
Shh, just a second, baby. If you see this kind of black and white YouTube logo-looking icon and click on that, it'll let you record a video. That's what I'm doing right now. And this is what you guys did before when you recorded yourselves talking about the people you were researching. So right now it's not actually going to work because I'm already recording a video, so it would be like Inception, recording within a recording. But basically you do start recording. And I just touched my face. Blah, blah, blah. This is my book. This is why I like it. Yeah, do a book talk. Tell us all about it. What is it about? Why did you pick it? What's interesting about it? Do you recommend it? All of that stuff. And then when you're done, click finish. Give it a name. And save it. Nora. And then it'll put your video right there, and you just click post reply. And that's pretty cool. But you can do that on any of the discussion boards that we start, on the announcements that I post. I want you guys to interact with each other, not just do assignments and blah, blah, blah. Okay? I miss you guys. I love you. Please be safe. Be safe. Be healthy and stay home.